Hi. Today I will teach you 3 simple tricks that you can use to center elements inside a div using CSS. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, so anytime I publish a new video you will be notified. Now let's proceed. In my editor here, I have created a div with class parent and it contains another div with class child. And in the CSS, I get rid of the paddings and margin in the universal selector by setting them to 0. I set the parent class to 100 view height and the background color crimson. Underneath, I set child class to background color blue, width 200 pixels, and the height 200 pixels as well. So the first trick I am gonna show you is DisplayFlex. Flex determines the type of box or boxes that are generated for an element. Align items to the center. This property aligns flex items along the cross-axis of the current line of the flex container. Next is justify content to center. It aligns flex items along the main axis of the current line of the flex container. The second trick is position absolute. This is a very powerful type of positioning that allows you to literally place any page element exactly where you want it, whether top, left, right, or bottom. Set the top and the left to 50%. This moves the child 50% of the parent height from the top and the parent width from the left. But it does not properly center. So to fix this we use transform property and set it to translate -50% -50%. This moves the child element 50% back to the top of its height and 50% left of its width. Last but not least, which is very simple, is DisplayGrid. CSS grid layout excels at dividing a page into major regions in terms of size, position, and layers. Place items center. This property allows you to align items in the parent div along both the block and inline directions at once. That's all. There are many ways to center elements inside div, but these are mostly used and very simple to understand. If this video helps you, please like, share, and comment as well. Check other tutorial videos on this channel that will help you in web development. See you soon.